Soumya and today I will recreate Ananya's runway look. So let's get started. So let's start with Lakmé Mattifying Moisturizer, which also minimizes visibility of pores and it's very hydrating. And my skin looks so hydrated, so fresh. Let's start with the foundation to give that natural finish. So it's Lakmé CC Cream in shade beige. Okay, now let's start with the contouring and the highlight. Let's start with the blush part. For the blush, I will use this lipstick, which is in shade pink. Beautiful pink, exactly the way the tone I wanted. Start with the eye makeup now. I will give a little twist because it was all about recreation of the look. Let me start with my brushes. So I have given my crease a pink look, as you can see, and I will pair it up with a pink liner. For that I will use this pink lipstick again. This has mirror too, it's helping me to apply things. I will take lipstick and let's start with the application of the. So I'm done with the eyeliner. Let's start with curling lashes, which is very important. It will give an intense uplift, as you can see. And let's pair it up with Lakmé Iconic Mascara. This is my favorite. Can you see that difference in both the eyes? This looks so beautiful. Uplifted, highly curled. I will start with the brow and I will go with this Infinity palette and the darker shade of brown. I will keep it very natural because I already have very bushy brows. I am only filling the gap, as you can see. Using this absolute matte lipstick in shade pink. This is just super gorgeous shade. So guys, I am done with the look, but at the end I would love to add some more highlighter. To give that little pop on the top of my cheeks. Nose I'm already done, and here I am done with the complete look with a little twist. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.